Hey guys, this is Red, your friendly Filipino Canadian. Today I'm going to show you what I bought from Home Depot. This is a battery operated twinkling LED light. It's micro lights with timer and there's 60 of them. Let me show you what it looks like. So like I said, 60 battery operated twinkling LED micro lights with timer. I was curious to see what this looks like on YouTube, trying to find some videos, but I couldn't find one, so I'll make one. So you guys will see what this looks like. So I'm gonna open it, and I'm actually gonna, what do you call this? Put it on this wreath that I got. I'm gonna switch to my other camera and let you guys in on this. I'm gonna make this fast so you guys don't get bored, and then I'll slow it down later when I'm done. See you. Just to pause a little bit my time lapse. So how this works, I already got one and it's already on. But how you do this is you press it once, that sets time. Press another time, it's gonna be on all the time. And then you press 3, it's gonna turn off. But if you press 1, what happens is it stays on for 6 hours and then goes off for 18, and it just cycles through. So that's good. You put a battery, actually let's put a battery already so you will see. I think it needs, let's see how many it needs. 3. It needs 3 batteries. We'll put 3 batteries in there. And this feels really weatherproof, actually. It feels weatherproof. So again, we press 1. This will stay on for 6 hours and off for 18. Or if you want it on all the time, you press it another time. And then if you want it off, you press it again. Okay? So ideally, you would turn it on around sunset. It will stay on for 6 hours. By about about midnight, it will turn off and it will cycle through until it runs out of battery. So let's put it on. Let's do our time lapse. This is my second time doing this, and I thought I can make it right since it's the second time, but still a mess. Initially, last time, what I did was I looped it over the wreath, like in and around the back and the front. But then what happens there is like there's not too you don't maximize your lights because some of them are at the back of the wreath. So my wife redid it. She put them in front just like this, and she didn't have a hard time like me. So, but I know. Choose the camera again. Doesn't it look good? Okay, so I'm gonna tie this on here at the back and I'll hang it. I'll show you some videos later.